Here at Chesterfield, we have been getting a reputation for having a little dusty office, but we've decided to get on the bandwagon and start cleaning our phones the Bill Jailing way with Clorox wipes. Well, first we wipe down the receiver portion, then the speaker portion. We make sure that's all nice and clean. In this case, there are no little holes in there to get in there, but he says it's clean. He says it's nice and clean. And he's wiping down the area so that there is no transfer of filth, because that would be terribly, terribly bad for anybody using the phone. The phone is now sanitized. The receiver is now sanitized. One phone cleaned and ready for use. Thank you.